Assalamualaikum everyone. Hope so you all are going great and well. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to the video. Welcome back to the lecture. Hope so you all are going great and well. So actually I was my exams are going on, so due to that I can't make a video daily, and I uploaded 2 videos of science on in one day. So that's why I felt that it's okay if I don't upload a video, and I keep on uploading the shorts so that you don't feel alone. So today we are with the science. We are done with science, so we are gonna move on to mathematics, and we are gonna start mathematics today. So the topic of today we are gonna do is properties of integers. But before that, I would like you all to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have not pressed the bell icon, do that. And if you have any question in English, Urdu, math, and science, comment on my video. I'll go through that as soon as possible. So we're gonna do properties of integers today. Okay, so integers include natural numbers, zero, and opposite of natural numbers. So this is what integers include. They include the natural numbers, like the numbers that start from 1, 2, and so on, and zero, like zero, simple zero. And then opposite of natural number means that if our natural number is 1, so opposite of natural number is -1. So this is the opposite of natural number. So first of all, this is a number line. Okay, here we represent the integers. In the very middle we are having the zero. Zero is at the center, and it's not positive. It's neither positive nor composite. It's neither positive nor negative. Like it's not negative number, or nor it's the opposite of natural number. Okay, so 0 is the center, and then on the right hand side we are having the natural numbers, like the numbers line goes in infinity in both directions, and the opposite of counting numbers create the negative integers. That means on left hand side we are having negative integers, and on the right hand side we are having the positive integers. Here in the number line there are four four integers on this side, 4 on this side, and 0 is at the center. Okay, so then 0 on the right hand side 1, then 2, then 3, and then 4. On the left hand side we are having -1, -2, -3, and -4. Here let me tell you that -1 is the greatest integer, like on the opposite of natural number or negative number, -1 is the greatest in the negative numbers, and at the positive integers 4 is the greatest one of the value, and 0 it does not have any value. So fractions or decimals do not include in integers. Like when we are going to study integers, we are not going to include fractions and decimals. We only include integers and numbers, whole numbers. Okay, integer number line. Okay, I told you that number above or right 0 are positive, 0 neither positive nor negative. Numbers below or left of 0 are negative, horizontal. Okay, so they are not vertical, they are always in horizontal line. So I told you. Okay, now Venn diagram. So integers like -1, -2, -3, these are the negative integers. Whole numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you should know what are integers. So you know what are integers, like all the whole numbers. It consists of whole numbers, natural numbers, negative numbers. So this is what integers consist of. Natural number means counting numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and whole number means starting from 0 whole, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And integers, it includes also negative numbers or opposite of natural numbers like -1, -2, -3. Okay, after that what we are having is like the airplane is 80 meter above the sea level. So above means upper. Okay, so that means it's a positive integer, indicates height above sea level. So it would be in positive, like I'll say plus 80. And then there is a fish 10 there's a fish 100 meters below sea level. So below means downward, so negative integer indicates height below the sea level, so it would be -100. So positive and negative numbers are used when keeping track of money. Like when you are tracking your money, you can also have it like if you earn money, it's in positive, and if you spend money, it's in negative. If you withdraw money or withdrawal of money, or that also includes a withdrawal of money, deduction of money, or taxes, that is always in negative form. And when you earn money, when you put money in your ATM, in your debit card, credit card, so that's your positive charge. Okay, then we are having if your mother loaned you rupees 1000 for pizza. Mom, I owe you on you, that means that the 1000 you owe her is described by an integer minus 1000. Why? Because you took money from her. Okay, so negative numbers are used to show what you own or debit, like what you take from others or what you debit. Now definition: opposite numbers or numbers that are at the same distance from zero in the opposite direction, so these are known as the opposite numbers. So opposite numbers are the numbers that are at the same distance from the zero in the opposite direction. Like 3, it's a natural number, so minus 3 is an opposite of a natural number, like they are at the same distance from zero, another right hand side or left hand side. So guess opposite of each of the following integers. So it's already done. So plus minus plus 7 minus 7 plus 1, sorry, minus 1 plus 1 minus 8 plus 8, and 0 does not has any, like it's neither positive nor negative, so 0 itself is its integer. I add an integer to describe the real world situation. So if you gain 3 pounds, that means 3 or plus 3. If you write 3, that is okay, because 3 itself means it's plus 3. Or if you write plus 3, that's far more better. Withdrawal of rupees 15, so it's minus 15. 5 feet below sea level, minus 5. Move ahead 4 spaces, that means you move forward 4, or plus 4. If I say move backward 4 spaces, that means minus 4. Okay, and the smallest natural number, product of any number with me is always number itself. I am smallest positive integer, so I am 1. So you should know that 1 is the smallest natural number. Its product of any number with it is always number itself. Like you can say it is you can say it's multiplicative identity. Okay, and its smallest positive integer. So I am integer between largest negative integer and smallest positive integer. If you add any number with me, result is number itself. I'm neither positive nor composite, so guess the number. So it's 0, and 0 is basically additive identity. So you should know what is additive identity. It's 0, and multiplicative identity is 1. That means if you add any number in 0, now you will get number itself. Like 15 plus 0 is equals to 15, 2 plus 0 is equals to 2, and multiplicative identity means that if you 1, it's because if you add any number in 1, now multiply any number with 1, the number would be itself. Like 15 multiplied by 1 is equal to 15, 2 multiplied by 1 is equals to 2. So that's why it's known as multiplicative identity. And additive identity. My additive inverse is 0, so it's number itself. 0 does not has any additive identity. My additive inverse is minus 2, so it's plus 2. My additive inverse is plus 5 minus 5. So additive inverse means that if it's positive, so it would be negative. If it's negative, it would be positive. Okay, match the column multiplicative inverse. So 1 is number itself, number whose multiplicative inverse does not exist is 0. Okay, so 0 does not has any multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse of minus 5 is minus 5 over minus 1 divided by 5. Okay, multiplicative inverse means that you have to divide that number. This is the multiplicative inverse. 1 divided by 5 is multiplicative inverse of a number divided by 5. So how we define the commutative law of addition and multiplication? When we interchange a position of numbers in addition, some remain same. Like when we interchange the position of numbers in addition, some remains the same. Like this is known as commutative law of addition. Like if I do that, so if I do that, I am having 3. This is my, like if I'm having 3 plus minus 5. Okay, so answer will remain same when it's minus 5 plus 3. So I just interchange their places, but trust me, the answer is same. If we interchange a position of numbers in multiplication, the product remains same. It's same as multiplication. So this is called as a commutative law of multiplication. Like 3 multiplied by minus 5 is same as minus 5 multiplied by 3. I just interchange their places, but their product will remain same. So this law, commutative law, is of multiplication and addition. If you change the places of the number, their sum will remain same. Associative law, associative property, like is also known as friendship property. Okay, so the word associative means combine, group together, join in mathematics. So in we are talking about mathematics. Associative property says that the way you group 3 numbers in addition multiplication, their sum products remain same. That means that if it's like, if I do that, it's A plus B is equal to C. If I do A plus B is equal to C, it's also fine. But if I do A plus B, okay, if I do a plus b plus c or is equals to c, this is also fine. That means a plus a is equals to b plus c, so this is also fine. So this is basically associative property, associative law, which is also known as a friendship law. Associative property of addition or multiplication. The associative property can be thought of friendship associations. The parentheses show the grouping of two friends. They do not move physically, they simply change the way one who they are associating with, the way in which addends are grouped. It does not change the sum. For example, like 2 plus 4, you add them first and then add them with the 6 is same as when you add 4 and 6 first and then add them with 2. In general, for any number a b c, like a plus b, you add them and then add them with c is same as if you add b and c first and then with a. So the way in which numbers are grouped, it does not change a product. For example, if you first of all multiply 2 with 4 is and then multiply it with 6 is same as if you multiply 4 with 6 and then with 2. In general, for any numbers a, b or c, like if you multiply a and b first with then with c is same as if you multiply b and c first and then with a. So it does not affect, it does not change. The cumulative properties of addition and multiplication involve the order in which the numbers are written, the numbers move. The associative properties of addition and multiplication involve grouping the parentheses move. The properties does not work with so you should know that communicative law and these all laws does not work with subtraction and division. What does it mean? So distribute, meaning to give someone like distributive, basically to distribute means to give something to each member of a group. That means you equally share that. In general, like if you say a b plus c is same as first to multiply a with a with b and then a with c and then add that. So a b plus c is same as that. So this is distributive property. Distributive property of multiplication or addition. Let's just take an example. We find product of 43 and 25 as given at right. So 43 multiplied by 25 is equals to 43 multiplied by 20 plus 5 is same as 43 multiplied by 5 plus 43 multiplied by 20. It means the sum of two addends 20 and 5 multiplied by 43 is same as product of each addend of the number. This is distributive property. Using the distributive property, we multiply each element inside the parenthesis by element outside the parenthesis. Consider the problem to the left. The number in the front parenthesis is looking to distribute, multiply its value with all terms inside the parenthesis. So for any number a b c, like a b plus c is same is equals to a multiplied by b plus a multiplied by c, distributive property of multiplication or addition, and a b minus is equals to a multiplied by b minus a multiplied by c is distributive property of multiplication or subtraction. In other words, distributive property says that multiplication arrangement can be divided into similar arrays. If we add a product of arrays, it's same as a product of larger array. For example, 5 multiplied by 6 plus 5 multiplied by 4 is same as 5 multiplied by 6 plus 4. 3 groups of 4 multiplied by 4. 3 groups of 1 plus 3 is equals to 3. 1 plus 3. 3 groups of 1 is equals to 3 multiplied by 1 and 3 groups of 3 is equals to 3 multiplied by 3. So this is basically the communicative law of addition. So it's an exercise regarding it, like if we add this and that this, so left hand side and right hand side verification. So minus 52 plus minus 36, so minus 52 minus 38 and is equals to minus 90, and then minus 38 plus minus 52 is equal to minus 38 minus 52 is equals to minus 90. So the sum of the both are having the same answer. So it means SSR is equals to RSS. So answer is proof that this statement is true. Okay, after that we are having that same 90. Okay, again here left hand side and right hand side, and then it's answers. So hope you like today's class. See you in the next class, and I'm gonna upload one more video today, so go and watch that. Bye bye, take one. Allah Hafiz.